Kumshi banta bandang pengklan chushu ika Parti Indian National Congress, ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC, hapo ka jingalam ju Babinsan H pala kum President, ilapan mana ba yak pynrung khot thymmai ju ka party ne ka primary membership drive, daga ba penangkam daga butching start kat kum kachuk bamanta. Yakni ilapan mana ba jingalang bla penlong Congress bawan, akan no paisngi art Patrick Risau arja way. Apakran nak cingerang bapalau loong bakum ke parti kelas dang ban penteri kam daga arts technology nak bentaban ban perlong ik samla ba ki balarang ba kum ki dkhot ba pura chong ka parti kongres kla perkam daga chatbot na whatsapp daga bakin pha hi ne hello show number khandai not nyo khandai we nyo san bakin sabatha ban le chong kam ba dim ba biang lut chong kam baro kin sayo ek digital primary member identity card ka ba ansapha shiga number whatsapp.
We are now in the digital world where the world is very small. So as already briefed by Sir that the Congress, as per the direction from the AICC, we are going digital in case and as far as the primary membership enrollment is concerned. So what we are doing this is because this process it's very simple as ABC, where every person who wishes to become the member of the Congress party, wherever he sits, in every nook and corner of the state, he can register as a member of the Congress party. And the process of registration is very simple. Like we have developed a chatbot using a WhatsApp. So in this chatbot, what happened, we will be giving or we will be directing all the district of the Congress party to the block Congress also, that to tell everybody or from our side also that we have a registration WhatsApp number where any member who wish to become the member of the Congress party can register even he sits at home or from any far cry of a place wherever he or she is. So the process is very simple. It is like this. We'll be giving a WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is very clearly shown here. It is you can note it down. It is 9077909175. So this number a member need to store in a phone, and the moment he started, he can say kumno or he can say hi, hello. Then the system automatically will send a welcome message. The first one is to enter the name, your name. Suppose your name is XYZ. Then after that, it will ask you the voter ID. Because everyone who is a valid voter, he will be having a voter ID. He need to enter on the second stage. Then after that, then he needs to send a photo that is there. He needs to click a photo that is available in a voter ID and send it in the WhatsApp number. Then the fourth part is he need to take a selfie of his own and then send it. By the time, then the message from the chatbot will say thank you. We are grateful that in a short while we will verify the details.
Has ID with him when they come to meet us or when we have a meeting and all. We'll have a barcode system at the entrance to register the presence in the meeting, number one. Number two is that everybody has got the unique identity number here. We have a number here, and from here we know from which constituency is he, from which district. That's why we have got something here. So this number is here. So this number which I have given is, for example, like we have a car ML04. This means from Giant Hills, and the number here. So we have a number of the constituency number, the district, and his number. And then below there, so his photo, and also the card which we the epic number, which will have the epic number. So this card is complete ID of a person, which he can have his ID even to go for voting. Will help our people in the field to identify. Suppose when they're during the election, if he doesn't bring his voter ID, so our people will have along with them, they will see the voter's ID from here, then they can identify and assist the people for the voting. Whether the payment, sometimes it depends on the volume of us. So we have to, because we don't want to use it unofficial. We want to use officially because we are running an organization. So we have already have more or less have the terms and conditions with them, a different system of payment. But roughly, I think we have to pay them almost 20 rupees each. More than that, more 20. Every enrollment will have to pay them 20 rupees each. So that all those expenditure will be borne by the MPCC, not by the people who enrolled, not by the membership. So all will be borne by us. That we should start enrollment from the 1st of November till the 31st of March 2022. Mean 1st of November 2021 to 31st of March 2022. So that after that there will be maybe the organizational election, I don't know, but as of now with the time frame is given to us up to 31st of March 2022. I know very challenging, but I'm sure that in the long run we should be able to do it, because we have to have every booths, every polling stations, we should have volunteers, and almost I think to win election you need almost 37 to 40% of voters, but we may not be able to do up to that level. But what we try at the beginning for up to 31st of March, you should be target around 20% of the voters, and after that subsequently towards before the election is there, that we should reach around 30% of the voters. That is our target. I know it's very challenging, a huge target, but it's doable, and it's possible only if we work along at the groundwork with all our volunteers and all our prospect candidates or MDCs, MLAs and the party workers.